Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to attempt at making some alcohol inks. This is not my idea, by the way. I stole it from Sharon's Nails. I watched her video, her videos of her making some alcohol inks. And I did message her and ask her if it was okay that I could steal her idea, and she was okay with that. And she said to me, don't forget your gloves. So, have my gloves. I've got these pots here that I got from Wilkinson's. I believe I got 20 of them for £5. Glass jars with a metal lid. I buy these for glitter mixes or acrylics. I don't have anything else to keep the alcohol inks in. In Sharon's video, she used her husband's vape little tubey things. I don't have any of those, so I'm just going to store them in these pots. So if you've just seen in my previous video, I bought these from the pound shop, permanent markers. Yes, they cost me £1. And also in that video I opened up this little package that I got from AliExpress. Now I ordered these I believe about 2 months ago, so I completely forgot that I'd ordered these. Excuse me. So I've got a pink, it says watercolour background, it's a beautiful pink. This yellow, which leaked all in the box, so I still need to contact the seller, and a beautiful purple. So as I have those colours, let me open this, sorry for the noise. I think I've already got a pink, so let's move that, purple and the yellow. Why does that look like that? Ew. Okay, so I think I'm going to make, I think I'll do a dark blue, oh I don't know, right, I'll do a red, an orange, blue and a green. Postman. Okay, so let me move those out of the way. Okay, oh yes, not forgetting my gloves, because we know this is going to get seriously messy. So thanks for the tip. Thanks for the tip, Sharon. Not forgetting these, because I know this is going to be messy. Really, really messy. Oh, I don't have any of that alcohol. You know when you do gels and you get the sticky layer. I can't find, I had a small bit left. I can't find it anywhere. So Sharon used this oh gosh, what's it called? Nail polish remover. And it has alcohol in it, so I thought I'd use that. So let's take the lids off these. God, I'm a bit nervous. I don't have pliers. To be honest with you, I don't know what my husband I don't know where that went. 1 second. Do you know, I can't find it. It popped off and I don't know where it bloody went. I've looked everywhere and I can't. Can't see it anywhere. Whew. Right, I'm out of breath because I just went downstairs because, oh my god, I'm so unfit, because of the postman just dropped something. Okay, so I'm just exactly doing what Sharon did, because there's like this hard plastic thing. Okay. So I'm just cutting these up. Oops. Oh god, yeah, this is very messy. Right, now I'm going to add my nail polish. I don't know how I'm supposed to, how much. Let's just do that much. Oh god. Okay. Right, I'll put the lid on. Right, let's give these a bit of a wipe. Oh my goodness. This got bloody everywhere, didn't it? Right. So that's the red. Okay, now let's do the orange. Okay, so hopefully this time this one won't go flying. Okay, so again we're going to cut the plastic. Okay. Add some more. Put the lid on. Do you know, I've forgotten how long you're supposed to leave these to soak. I hope these work. It'd be so cool if they do. I mean, in Sharon's video, Sharon's nails video. Hers worked. It looked bloody brilliant. But then, if you're a regular of watching my videos, you know that my videos don't go to plan. So, if this works, it will be a miracle. Okay. And then lastly, the blue. Jeez. Would you imagine I didn't put gloves on? Thank you so much for the tip, Sharon. Because I know that I wouldn't have put gloves on and then regretted it after. So I really appreciate you thinking of my hands. There we go. Oh, I love that colour. Looks beautiful. There we go. And then add this. Put my lid on. Right, I'm gonna use this to give it a stir. So that's what the red's looking like. It's looking brilliant. Right, I would imagine I'm going to have to leave these for 24 hours, I'd imagine, just so it soaks. It soaks in all that goodness. Oh, I really hope this works. Okay, and then lastly, the blue. Right, I think later on I will come back, give it a mix and whatnot. And yeah, I'll leave it for 24 hours. And then I will come back tomorrow to see if these worked or not. God, can you see? Let me take my glove off because I don't want to touch my light. Okay, so that's the red. Bring the light down, yeah. That's the red, orange, the green, and the blue. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Also, Sharon's Nails, thank you, my darling, for letting me experiment and copy your idea. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Love you.